Hello everyone, it is humidification day here at home, and about once every couple weeks I go through and check all of my wood ukuleles to see how they're doing with humidification. And generally I try to humidify just about anything that isn't a plastic instrument. Now, you don't really have to humidify a laminate ukulele, but it does help. So what I wanted to show you, what I'm doing is I have this tub here that I bought. I think it was a 99-cent deal at Walmart. And I fill that up with distilled water. And then I have the different types of humidifiers that I make. Sometimes I'll use a quarter container that has a screw-on lid, but these are big 50 millimeter test tubes that I've drilled holes in, as you can see, and this one's actually ready to be dried off, and just it's a little bit on the outside that you just dry off, and it's ready to go into your case. And that's what I call sort of my insurance. And then I also use these 10 milliliter test tubes as the main one that I put into the sound hole of a ukulele. So here are two of them, and I'll show you this this is my most valuable ukulele. It's a solid koa concert koaloha from 2004. So what I do is I put that one in the sound hole like that, and then I put the insurance of an extra 50 milliliters, underneath the headstock right there. And then this is ready to be closed and stored until I want to play it, or until I check the humidity the next time. But when you live in a winter climate, this process of keeping your ukuleles humidified is really important. I don't know if you've noticed, I've been working really hard to try to say ukulele instead of ukulele, because I know that people culturally from Hawaii would prefer that we do that, even though I'm so used to doing it with the Midwestern ukulele. I humidify everything. So let me just give you some examples. Here is my little tiny ohana pineapple, and I humidify that just like I humidify this caramel sopranino, which is made of laminate, because it still has a wooden fretboard that benefits from the humidity. So even though you don't have to, I still do it, and I would encourage you to do so too. And again, with this extra test tube in there, with the 50 milliliters going into each case, I put one of those basically in each case at least, that gives you just peace of mind that your instrument's gonna not dry out. You'll have some leeway. So if you don't exactly do it in 2 weeks and you do it in 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks, chances are your ukulele is still going to be fine, rather than something that dries out and splits on you. So again, just a friendly reminder to keep your ukuleles and ukuleles all humidified, to do so on a regular basis if you live in a winter or dry climate. And just it's part of taking care of an ukulele or adopting one as a part of your life, is that you'll want to care for it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.